The resurgence of the Tesla Model 3 performance in the first half of 2024 is poised to be an icon of innovation and progress in the electric vehicle world. With a glossier exterior, reminiscent of the anticipated Tesla Roadster 2.0 being quite special, according to Sawyer Merritt's revelations on X. Boasting a power of 393 Q from dual electric motors and an impressive acceleration time of 3.3 seconds for 0-100 kilometers per hour, this electric vehicle not only keeps up with speed but also establishes new standards as the automotive market continues to evolve. What untapped potential will the new generation of the Tesla Model 3 unlock? Let's find out in today's episode of. Before we begin, please show your support by subscribing if you haven't already and ringing the bell so you won't miss out on any of our interesting videos in the future. Now, let's get started with today's content.
So I just can't emphasize how important cost is. It's not an optional thing for most people. It is necessary. We have to make our cars more affordable so people can buy it.
To narrow the gap between the starting price of the Model 3 and the average amount American consumers typically spend on a new car, Musk is employing various promotional strategies, particularly by offering discounts on the entire product line in the last months of 2023. Why is the current price of the Model 3 considered a bargain for buyers? In recent months, Tesla has kept prices stable for its in-stock vehicles. However, in the face of a sudden surge in demand in core, Elon Musk has decided to restart his discounting program. The company is aggressively pushing to stimulate quarterly delivery numbers by offering special deals on new in-stock Model 3 and Model Y models. Tesla dominates the global electric vehicle market with 1.3 million vehicles delivered in the first 9 months of 2023, up 40% from the same period last year. This is an incredible achievement and can be attributed to a number of factors, including the discounting of the Model 3 and Model Y. Specifically, Tesla's Model 3 sales soared 50% in the first 9 months of 2023. This suggests that discounting has helped to attract new buyers to the Model 3, including those who had never considered buying an electric vehicle before. In a bold move, Tesla has begun offering steep discounts on the Model 3 sedan, up to $3,700 for in-stock models. These are near-new, low-mileage vehicles that Tesla sells as new. With a base RWD version of the Tesla Model 3 currently being discounted by up to $2,000, the most affordable vehicle is listed at $36,260. This is a 7.0% reduction, making the Model 3 a more attractive option for those looking for an affordable electric vehicle. The Model 3 Long Range at WD even has a larger discount of up to $3,300 in some cases, with a starting price of $43,230. This discount is 8.1%, making the Model 3 Long Range at WD a more attractive option for those looking for an electric vehicle with a long range. These are special opportunities, and most importantly, they not only save you a significant amount, but also do not take into account the $7,500 federal tax credit that all Model 3s are eligible for. Even more exciting in some states, you may be eligible for additional incentives beyond the federal tax credit. All of this means that you can own a Tesla Model 3 RWD for an incredibly attractive price, starting at just $26,060. An incredible opportunity, but it's true. These discounts are all part of Tesla's efforts to achieve a quarterly delivery record in Q4 in order to meet its annual target of 1.8 million deliveries. Why is the new exterior a game changer for the Model 3? It is undeniable that the Tesla Model 3 is currently the best-selling electric car in the world. This model is considered as an important part of the American electric car maker. The upgraded version of the electric sedan is refined in design. Tesla not only aims to create products that customers need to own, but also to create products that customers really want to own. The easiest change to spot is that rear-wheel drive models still use 18-inch Michelin tires, while any car with 19-inch rims uses Hankook rubber. These tires have been redesigned with a focus on comfort rather than speed. The tires are still rated as having good grip but lower top speed, hence the need for a new electronic speed limiter. This means that the tires will be softer and quieter for a more comfortable ride. The highlight is the new horizontal headlights that have a shape reminiscent of the Model SAA, have similar turn signals to the next-generation Roadster, and add orange reflectors for the US market. A new horizontal line at the top and an upward slope at the air intake contribute to a more aerodynamic look. Looking at the new C-shaped taillights of the Model 3 gives the car a sportier and more dynamic look. This design also helps the sedan enhance its vehicle identification, especially when looking at them from a distance. Tesla has removed the fog lights on the front bumper, replacing them with a simpler and more elegant design. This change gives the Model 3 a more refined and modern look. The autopilot camera is integrated into the front bumper instead of being mounted on a separate bracket. This change improves the aesthetics of the car and minimizes the risk of damage in the event of a collision. According to the American Automobile Association, 60% of Americans are willing to pay more to own a car with low noise. Tesla quickly responded to this demand by adding rear double-glazed windows to the Model 3, significantly reducing noise in the cabin and creating a more comfortable driving experience. The company also claims that it has integrated additional noise reduction features, including a fabric cover on the plastic surface inside the cabin. Do the new changes in the Model 3's exterior excite you? Let me know your opinion below in the comments section. How luxurious is the interior of this sedan in the latest version? Tesla has completely reset expectations for the interior of the Model 3, a vehicle that dominates the market. Not everything is flashy or dazzling, but most elements are highly unique, and the final impression of this car is extremely satisfying. The redesigned dashboard features a sophisticated ambient lighting system and seamless air vent strip, bringing a luxurious and modern look to the interior. The 15-inch touchscreen remains the focal point, updated for faster feedback and a brighter display, delivering a smoother and more user-friendly driving experience. Additionally, the screen is now slightly thinner, creating a more sophisticated and modern feel. Rear passengers also get their own experiences with an 8.0-inch screen to control vehicle functions and climate, along with the ventilation system. The new steering wheel of the Tesla Model 3 has undergone a comprehensive design process, with notable changes. Specifically, the grip handles on the column and cruise control have been eliminated, replaced by integrated touch-sensitive buttons. Simultaneously, the steering wheel has been adjusted to eliminate the flashing lights and driving lever. According to a survey by Tesla, 80% of users expressed satisfaction with these changes to the Model 3's steering wheel. This not only enhances the aesthetics and modernization of the dashboard, but also makes the driving experience more convenient. Tesla has improved the interior of its sedan by using premium perforated faux leather material, which boasts double the durability compared to previous versions. The new seats are equipped with a ventilation system and perforated material, enhancing cooling efficiency and airflow. The front seat ventilation system's airflow performance has improved by 1.5 times, and the perforated material for the second row seats enhances airflow by 1.2 times. The standard front seat heating and ventilation system provide a comfortable and flexible driving experience. Elon Musk has announced plans to introduce a wireless software update to add a child presence detection feature for the Model 3. For the first time, the new sedan is equipped with a cabin camera, allowing owners to view the interior directly and even use an infrared view mode in low-light conditions, providing a clear perspective. This new feature of the cabin camera can help minimize the risk of children being left unattended in the car. According to AAAA survey, 77% of car owners have forgotten children in their cars. Upgraded features include increased power from the USB-C ports. Each USB-C port can now provide up to 65 W, a significant improvement from the previous 15 W. Tesla claims that now they can charge 2 MacBook Pro laptops and anyone charging their phone via cable simultaneously instead of using 2 15W wireless chargers, resulting in faster charging speeds. Tesla doesn't just create products that customers need, but more significantly, they generate a strong desire to own them. As a car brand with less than a decade of existence, Tesla has achieved remarkable success. The Tesla Model 3 stands as an epitome of these observations, as the car is not only equipped with premium and intriguing features, but also comes at a reasonable and affordable price. Does the Tesla Model 3 upgrade meet the expectations for the demand of electric vehicle usage? And that's the end of today's episode. We sincerely thank you for watching today's video and for your support of our. As always, if you like our videos, please leave a like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to stay updated on exciting developments in the world of electric vehicles. We hope to see you again next time. Until then, be careful and safe.